let's get to the bottom of this. I've finished the back of the RC car, including the suspension and the gearbox. If you're interested, good. If not, oh well.
2,000 years later.
Finished. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Let's go through how I.
Alright, firstly, let's start off with the suspension system, and I will show you in Fusion 360 how the mechanism works exactly, and the parallel motion.
Meanwhile,
Ah, yeah! Let's do this. Here we go. Yes. Alright. Yes, adjusting. And done. Ah, yes, beautiful. I have created the masterpiece. Alright? Yeah, let's look at it from the side view. It's better from here. Alright, so let's pretend that this here is the body of the RC car. This here is the wheel. Voila! It is a wheel, isn't it? Alright, so here we go. We have the wheel, and here's the brackets. Now these two brackets are parallel to each other, and so is this. This makes it a parallelogram. Is it parallelogram? Parallelogram. Give me a second. Alright.
Parallelogram.
There you go. Parallelogram. Now that you know how the mechanism works, let's get on to the suspensions. Now, a suspension consists of two main components, the shock and the spring. The spring basically helps the shock absorber take the initial impact, and the shock absorber smooths it out by using hydraulics. Now to show you a poorly animated explanation that I've made, you can see the shock in action as it pushes the P-color-like hydraulic fluid through the small holes in the piston. It makes it so that the piston takes a hit from the fluid and eventually lets most of it, if not all, the fluid through, depending on how bumpy the road is. Alright, now to show you some fun soldering. I finally found the XT60 connector and I soldered it to the ESC controller. Problem is that I couldn't find my good solder, so I had to resort to the lead-free.
Ta-da! Do this.
Now to prove to you that the gearbox works and the whole mechanism works, here's a clip.
That's great. Alright. Going to medium. Oh, shoot. Still in low. Hold on. Going to medium. There we go. Perfect. High. Alright, we're on high speed now.
As you can see, the back part of the car is completely finished. For the next video, I'll be working on the steering systems, and these are one of the principles I'll be utilizing in it. I either will be putting it side by side, or I'll be using its own little configuration, or possibly using gears. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one.